Hello, I'm Zack with Progressive Mobility and Medical in Washington, PA. This right here is the Pride Revo 3-wheel scooter. It is not billable through insurance. It's a private pay only. I'm going to disassemble it, show you the parts and pieces, how it comes apart to fit in your vehicle. The first thing you'll want to do, and I'll kind of angle it so you can see, there are holsters right here, a little compartment that you have to pop out on each side so that your seat is able to come out. So you just fold it and pull straight up. And then the next thing you want to do is grab your battery, and there's two separate cases. The left one first, and then the right one. And then the basket does come off. Whenever you're folding down your tiller, you want to make sure that it is parallel and not all the way down like that. So keep it parallel and tighten it up. There is a lock right here to keep it from moving. And then you just pull up on this clamp and it brings it apart. And then to put it back together, the same process, just backwards. There are color-coded pieces right here. You just want to match them up. The hook goes over the bar. And it clips back in. You want to unlock the tiller and loosen it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. You put your basket back on. So you'll have to put the right battery in first.
Yeah, how do I see it? Yeah, how is this? This isn't going to work.
Then the left. And then the seat is like a drop pin. So you just drop it in there and it's in. Just make sure you secure the storage, or you can just take them off completely. And to put those back on, they're just pins, so you just line them up. And it's back in. There we go.